In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Google Play Store not working. If you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very easy to go ahead and fix this. It can be really annoying if you're trying to use anything from Google Play Store or Google Play Store itself, and it keeps stopping, keeps crashing, anything like that. It can be very frustrating. So what we're going to do is go over to our settings application, go ahead and scroll down all the way to the bottom, and you're going to see apps as one of the options. Now over here, go ahead and find Google Play Services. Don't get it confused with Google Play Store. We can do it with both, but we're going to start with Google Play Services. So the first thing we want to do is on the bottom right, press force stop. Then just press OK. Don't worry, it's not going to do anything. Then go ahead and scroll down and go to usage and then go over to storage. Once you're in storage, you just want to clear the cache, which is going to be on the bottom right. And then we want to do the exact same thing with Google Play Store. So go ahead and click on that. Force stop this as well. Go scroll down, go to storage, and then clear cache here too. And then everything should be working fine. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.